In this video, I am going to show you some work from home websites where you can get paid to work from home, part-time, watching ads and evaluating ads online. So one place you can check for these type of jobs, which also hires all around the world, is Talus International. You may have seen me cover them before. They have a lot of different type of jobs that are in and out on their listings for all sorts of AI related jobs, search engine jobs and things like that. So if you're looking for something that also doesn't require an interview, but if you go to the AI community section here, you will find all sorts of different type of jobs that they have available. So what you want to do, they have a very long list. You want to narrow things down here and look for something like personalized internet ads assessor. Now I am just showing you one as a random example. They have these in many different countries around the world. They have like 2 full pages of these jobs right now, as you can see on my screen. And the countries they are hiring waiting all the time. So by the time you watch this video, could be a month down the road, or you might come back and rewatch this or bookmark this company, and they might have totally different countries a month or two from now. But this is an example of what the job description would be. So what you would do is be a personalized internet ad assessor. You do this completely from home, remotely. This is a freelance type of position. They look for people that have good communication skills and use the internet daily. You will be an independent contractor and have the flexibility to work from home and make your own hours. They want you to live in whatever country you are applying by. In for the last 3 consecutive years, you must have familiarity with your country's historical trend and current event. You will also need full proficiency in whatever language they are applying in. Again, this is going to vary access to and use of a broadband internet connection and associated computer and software to perform the work. You also need experience in use of web browsers to navigate and interact with a variety of content, access to and use of Android or iOS broadband barcode scanner application on your smartphone, and also a daily user of Gmail and other form of social media. So basically they describe the job here. In this job, you will be reviewing online ads in order to improve content quality and layout. You will be required to provide feedback and analysis on ads found in search engine results and provide ratings on their relevance to the search terms used. Another aspect of this opportunity will involve reviewing the language used in the ads by examining grammar, tone, and cultural relevance. Through this work, you will be making a valuable contribution to the quality of online ads in your country. So this is a great one to check out right now. A lot of times they don't tell you how much these pay. So what we are going to do is look at the reviews here. Typically an ad quality rater, which is about the closest I could find, pays anywhere from $18 to $33 per hour, or $39,000 up to $69,000 yearly. And if you want to know a little bit more about the company, that they actually have a 3.6 out of 5-star rating overall, which is pretty solid, and 69% of the people recommend working at this company to a friend. So next we have a company called WeLocalize. WeLocalize is the place where you can find similar jobs to what you find at Talus International. You could just scroll down here to the career section, go to explore WeLocalize careers, and that will redirect you to a lever.co page, which lever.co is a company used by many other companies to basically do their job listings. So they have a lot of jobs in these AI services sections here. So if you stay in the AI services section, that is where you will find most of the jobs like the ad reviewer job, search engine reviewer. You also have all sorts of other things like AI response evaluators and entry-level data raters available right now. So what we are looking for again is an ads quality rater. As you can see, they have a very long list of these available right now. So what you want to do is match your country and the languages you speak to pick one to apply for. So for instance, the ads quality rater here, I am going to look at the English US version. There are so many jobs available right now. You can explore them according to your country and according to your language. So as an example, and this is a localization and data transformation company, if you are wondering what WeLocalize does, and they also do like translation work and stuff as well, but you will review and grade internet advertisement to help shape how ads are delivered to end users. In other words, you will tell the AI program how good or bad an ad suggests. So a suggestion is based on the user keyword. So the role is great for people who surf the internet a lot, use mirror search engines to know what people want based on keywords, enjoy searching topics, and want a flexible and fun side job. Now, there is no formal interview for this job, no phone calls, no waiting, and no wasting time wondering whether you got the job or not. So, again, they actually verify right here upfront that you do not have to have a typical interview. So, they have a self paced and automated recruitment process here. So, as far as the pay rate goes, $14 per hour for this US version. This can vary quite a bit because they hire in many different countries. They have a different listings for every country that they are hiring in, and the cost of living is totally different in each country. So as far as the pay rate, just because it pays good or bad in one country doesn't mean you will love or hate that pay rate in your country. Just make sure you pick the right one to apply for. So this is totally remote work from home position, and you set your own schedule, and it could be 10 hours a week, it could be up to 25 hours a week, and they want you to start as soon as possible, and they also pay you every 2 weeks. Now this one you actually can be a W2 part-time employee, which is something that is only for the US. From what I have seen so far, from Relocalize, they don't usually offer that to people outside the US. That's usually more for freelancers and contractors. So experience and requirements here are very minimal. As you can see, no actual job experience or degree or any of that stuff is required. All you need is fluency in your language and understanding of your country's popular culture, reliable computer system and internet, familiar understanding of how to use search engines, and you have to sign a non-disclosure agreement. What also nice about working in the US is you can actually get some benefits here, all of which you can see right here, mostly insurance and 401k and employee assistance as well. But these are some things that usually are only for the US based jobs here. So you also have to verify your identity and eligibility to work in your country and complete the requirement employment eligibility verification form. These jobs are available all over the world. You can check according to your country and location. Again, it's for English, German, Spanish, Hindi, and even in Urdu. You can apply from anywhere in the world. Just check out your country and language specification and then apply for the job. So Relocalize is another great one to check. As I showed you, they have many of these in many countries, and as far as the reviews, what it's like to work here, 3.6 out of 5 stars, and 68% recommend working here to a friend. And salary wise, total salary range for Relocalize ads quality rated is $44,000 up to $79,000 per year. We also have a company called Appen, which is actually a publicly traded company. As you can see right here under the ticker of Appen, they are a company that has some jobs like this as well, where you can review ads, you review search engine, social media videos, and many other things. So here's one example. It's called the Search Ads Evaluate. This is the one where you could submit an application for something like this, or what you could do is just join the talent pool and just look for the jobs like this one. They have just a bunch of contractors that work for them part-time basically, and do all sorts of different odd AI type jobs for them. You could improve search ad results for one of the world's largest search engines. They don't tell you exactly which one it was, but it's most likely, especially with the use of the Gmail and all this other stuff. So it's a good chance it might be Google or Bing or something like that. You need a smartphone, Gmail address, and to pass a qualification exam. Typically, you only work around 10 hours a week, pass all client service level checks, and must be able to rate tasks in the language in the local you live in as well as English. And they also have other jobs that you could do as well. Now if you want to just go to their listings instead of just joining their talent pool and looking for some you can also go to some listings here at the liver.co page. I haven't seen any specifically for ad related stuff, but I see some that are usually very interesting to people in that they want to do ad review jobs. So for instance, if you wanted to do search engine evaluation, a lot of times there could be some video content in there as well. You are reviewing search engines and rating how relevant search results are instead of rating how relevant ads are. So that's very similar. They have many of those. They have social media evaluator jobs as well. Many of these includes watching videos and giving feedback on those videos as well. So if you want to do a different type of video other than something like ads, you could do that as well. So they have a lot of different options here at Appen. Now, as far as what it's like to work at Appen, for doing some sort of ad review like this, if you were to do an ads quality rater based on the salaries submitted by 45 people, it's $18 to $31 an hour. And the total salary range for Appen ad quality rater is $37,000 up to $65,000 per year. So review wise, they have a 3.6 out of 5 star rating, and 65% would recommend working here to a friend, which is also pretty good. So hopefully this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell if you want more daily work from home opportunities like these. If you like this type of opportunities, please click the like button. Helps me know what type of jobs and other type of videos you like. And also don't forget to leave a comment if you want to suggest something that I cover in the future videos. And I'll see you all in the next video.